Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Holy Stone HS110D FPV RC drone with 720p HD camera, live video, 120 degrees wide angle Wi-Fi quadcopter with altitude hold, headless mode, 3D flips, RTF with modular battery, color black. FOV 120 degrees, 720p HD FPV camera. This high-quality camera captures memorable moments. See the world through the eyes of a bird on your phone. Altitude hold, it allows the RC quacopter to suspend in mid-air even with your hands off the joystick for hands-free hovering. Easy, stable flight experience makes this a perfect drone for beginners, kids, starters, newbies, etc. Headless mode. Orientation of the drone is in relation to the pilot, easier to control and fly back. When the drone is out of sight, you'll have total control for a straightforward flying experience. Modular battery and camera. The 3.7V 1000 mAh high-capacity battery can support a longer flying time. The modularized design of battery and camera offers more convenience and safety. Please charge with original charging cable for safety. Mobile controlled. Operate the drone through an app in a smartphone to activate multiple functions. Operate the camera function and flight in the app interface. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.